everybody, how are you doing? And today in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to make omelette. Basically, I have never ever cooked in my whole life. It's my second time only. So I was thinking that in my fridge I have eggs, so why not we make an egg omelette, and why not I show you all people how I make it, because I don't know how to make an omelette. So it's gonna be a ridiculous experience for making an omelette. Fridge, oh, there are many. Thumbs up for mom for keeping this in the fridge. Let's jump into the kitchen and make this. All the ingredients to make egg omelette is this: 2 green chilies, some coriander, 1 tablespoon, it's not a tablespoon, it's a teaspoon, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 2 eggs with oil, and a blank bowl. So you need this blank bowl to just feed your eggs. So guys, I'm taking 1 egg from here, and you just have to, oh wait a second. So you just have to take some salt. This is salt. Just preheat the frying pan and take some oil. I'm just taking a small amount of oil. Just spread all the oil into the frying pan. We have to put this stuff into this stuff. Make sure you don't hurt. Oh my god. What I'll do is I'm just mixing this old stuff. Do as I do, I'm just feeding this old stuff, all the eggs, red chili powders, salt, egg yolk, and all. If you want to sprinkle, you can sprinkle some coriander also in it, but I'm not, so I'm just waiting to have my egg boil totally. I'm just spreading this whole stuff. So what I will do is I'm just cutting the side edges that it can adjust quickly, and as you can see, I have cutted all the edges, and now it's ready to pick up. So yeah, I think we have made it. It's my second time, by the way. My dad taught me to make this omelette. So this is the omelette. I think it's prepared totally. Yeah, I think I have made a decent omelette. So this was my video, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video in making omelette as fast as possible. Let's have a bite.